Google I/O keynote, a cute part was covered about AI and safety. So, what do you think happens with this AI and safety? What are the new features? What are the announcements?
I think it has exponential, the importance of safety has exponentially increased now, because at least earlier, 1 or 2 years back,
so I have labeled them as my cattle, and other cows I have labeled them as other cattle. So what you have to do is you can click here and you can assign a label. Then once you assign a label, then you can train your new model from here.